Yeah, hey, Dada. First off, life is hard, gotta wait, comes with some curveballs. Just hit past it to broke it in the foreign swerve off. Ain't been the same since my cuz got murked again. No, I ain't sorry, meant to.
What's up, y'all? Back at it again with another video, right on the new bike here. Hope y'all like, I just want to say, hope y'all like the new mic quality. I moved my mic up so you won't hear more air since my bike's quiet. So it's that, and hopefully you hear my voice a lot better. And I'm probably talking loud because I have music playing in my ear. I'll tone it down in like the edit and everything if I have to. In this video, we're going to do first ever episode of Build to Good Eats. We're going to go to my boy's family restaurant. Not really restaurant, but family spot. It's like a mischief. Show. Okay, she's him all day. I'm getting distracted once again. What do you call it? Like a food truck, but like a food shack, I call it, because it's like in the trailer, so it's not really like, it's movable, but not like with an engine or anything. The spot we're going to is 302. The spot we're going to is 302 Food Plug. Has been around a couple years. I really don't know, but my boy, his family restaurant is, his Instagram is Black Light Duels. I have it in the video, so you can not click it, but you can look it up if you wanted to. Yeah, so his family owns it. I guess they own it for a couple years. And yes, I have been there before, but I'm pretty sure most Delaware people don't know it. Most Delaware people know it, but I just want to show the like outside crowd and just show support to my bro and his family. If I sound like I got allergies, I'm sick, yo, I'm telling you, my allergies bugging me. The Instagrams be also right here, and I'll show a picture and everything. So how they work, really everything is like they start, I think they're Monday through Friday, are open from 11:30 to 8:30, sell out. So but lately they've been selling out like crazy, so that's what I'm trying to get there right after work. Yeah, most likely everybody in Delaware knows about it. It's a good spot. They're really like a soul food type, Americanized, not really soul food, but it's just like they got like fish, chicken, egg rolls, crab bites or crab cakes, and they have this special sauce called plug sauce. So I forgot what it's made of by, but it's good. So what I'm getting, also by the way, is I'm getting a cheesesteak egg roll, not cheesesteak, a buffalo chicken egg roll, which it is amazing. Like I had it for the first time 2 weeks ago. It is amazing. The prices are fairly even. I mean, they're more like a platter spot, so it's going to be like, it's up to you if you want to spend that amount of money to get it. So it's like average around like $15, $12. You can like get a special order where it'd be like $10, $5, you know. I'm probably not gonna order a lot because I don't like to waste food. Almost on a bike. I did get a new book bag, by the way. Y'all probably can't see it in the mirror. How I found about this spot was, actually I rode with him before. I didn't even know who he was. I rode with him before, and he used to always talk about like, oh, I gotta work this day. And well, the first time I rode with him was like right when coronavirus just started, like beginning of April. He was always like, yeah, it's just a virus and COVID spreading and all that. I have all this time off because they shut down a restaurant. So I was like, restaurant? What the heck? So like a couple weeks later, I found him on Instagram, and he kept on getting tagged in like 302 Food Plug, and like they'll have like in the Instagram stories like that, and they'll have his name under it. So like, of course, he got tagged on his Instagram, and I clicked on it. I'm like, oh snap! Like I want to try there sometime. So first time I tried it, it was, oh my gosh, it was like August, end of August, mid-August, and it was good. I just had a chicken tender because I didn't want to waste my money because I didn't know how it was. Like, I'm a really picky eater. But the location too, they have it in their Instagram. I really can't describe where it's at, but I think it's 141, off of 141, and like right when you come over the bridge, it's like the first intersection, and it's closer towards how should I say, Wilmington or closer toward? No, it's closer towards like the airport, military airport, like literally right in front of there. You can literally see it. Yeah, and also too, I'm on the East Coast, so it's getting dark earlier. So it gets dark around like 6 o'clock. So like I barely have time to ride right now. So like every time I get home, like I try to rush, you know, so I can have more daylight. I hate riding at night, especially I got a tinted visor. I'll pick it up. I'm still learning this bike, by the way. It's a good day. Like, it's so cool riding with it. I have a hoodie over this rider jacket. Like, it's comfortable. Like, I feel the breeze, but it's not too much. We're almost there. We're probably at least like 10 minutes. Let's take my time. I'm not really in a rush getting there. Well, I don't even look up on our page see if they're sold out. I do have my vlog camera, so I'm gonna try to do that if I'm comfortable. Y'all can see the food and see where it's at. But everything's really in their Instagram. I don't think they got a Facebook page or anything like that. And they also, they do it's like homemade, but they do prep the stuff. They do prep it at like a shop they have, and they drive it there that day. So like you'll see a guy drive in and out just because he's getting dirty dishes, putting them away, and also getting food and taking it to a spot. And they do move around locally. Like, I don't know how it is, but like if they're like spots out of rent or whatever, the people that spot they have it at, it's like a parking lot. They say they want them gone, like they'll let them go. Reason why I did that, because I saw the car come over, I saw the blinker, so I said I'm gonna jump in front of her. It's not like I didn't see the car. I saw the car. So this is the first episode. Comment link in the description where spots you think I want to eat, because it's not just going to be Delaware places. It's going to be Philly places, Maryland places, Elkin places. Like, it's going to be all over, but just locally around Delaware. Put it that way. This is a song right here. Y'all don't know about this right here? Write your name. Right now, I am backed up on video, so I don't know when y'all going to see this. But whenever y'all do, I guess. Oh, I need to breathe. Claustrophobic. Also, too, I do want to get a new helmet. It's probably going to be black. And I want the windscreen that, like, they call it tints in the sun, and when it's dark it doesn't tint out. I forgot what it's called. It's like adjustable lens. I want that, because I also have that for my glasses, and yes, I do wear glasses. I have my glasses and it's lit. Hold up, I know there's a couple of intersections here that are sketchy. I need to get it some sauce. I'm so quiet, people probably don't even realize, like, I'm here. Oh, I thought that, you know, was coming towards me. See, like this, you go over the bridge, and it's right there in front of the airport, the first intersection. I mean, I don't know that way, or how I can explain it for coming from that way, but yeah. But it's right here. If they're open, it's Thursday, so they gotta be open. I think it's Monday through Friday. They have everything on the list and everything. Oh. Stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, that's the chain. Oh, kickstand already down. Alright, y'all, I'm here. Got my food. The alert was like 2 seconds. That was quick. I'm here, as y'all can see. Whoa. Y'all can see bike right there. Sunset right there. Got yep, their little shack digging it there. Not really a shack, but it's cool. It's nice. But I'm here. I'm about to grub. I'll show y'all what it looks like actually right now. So let me do that, because I'm about to kill this mom. Hopefully y'all can hear me good and everything. I got extra ranch right here. Hold on. I got some y'all there. I got some. quick. There my seed, that looks goodness. Oh my goodness. So, as you can see, I got everything that I said. The French fries are seasoned with lemon pepper, I think. That ruined my day, I'm not gonna lie. And I ate nothing all day, so this one slap. And I got a brisk some food. Yeah, hopefully this vlog turned out good, you know. Brisk, I love some tea. Right here. My arm's getting tired for this jacket. I'm getting tired holding this jacket. I'm trying to trip him. If this wind blow this camera, I'll be pissed. This right here. Goodness. Other goodness. No. Boy, if you don't get my boy Austin right there. Up, bro. What you doing?
Got rivals.
Where?
Couple, I think you said couple. Right safe now.
You too, man. Guys, back on the road. You probably gonna see it, but I was talking to him. He actually, his family owns that restaurant, Bacalhau Duels. You just saw him willing. I think I got it. If not, I didn't, but you saw him willing across the thing. He really can keep that wheel up for I'm the only one that can't keep that wheel up. So what I got was jumping, like always, with the ranch. Oh my goodness. Shit's really good. So what I got was good. Shots getting through to food plug. Pull up. All you gotta do is look him on Instagram. What he said, just look it up online, and boom, address is right there. I'm gonna start giving their rates. Their rates are going to be like you know, like customer service, you know, all that. So rate customer service 10 out of 10. Solely because food came out quick. They greet you, how you doing, you know, greet you well. Like, you really can't complain about that. Food wise, I'll give an 8 out of 10 just because, you know, I'm a picky eater, but it's still good. Don't get me wrong, it is still good. Like, good. Like, they're creative with their food and everything, especially their fries. I love how they put that season, that special season or whatever, lemon pepper season on them fries. I'll do that. Price for the food quality, how much you get, I give it actually like 9 out of 10. It's getting cold, so I'm riding my boy a little bit. Not too much long, but not long at all. Like you heard them, they're supposed to ride out, but I already had plans to ride out with him. And also, you know, oh, damn, I got work tomorrow. But yeah, that a bug hit my jaw. Really can't complain about it. I'm not complaining, it's good. Altogether, I give them a 9.5 out of 10. You know, just because that's my, not just because that's my bro and everything, but you know, it's good. Something different in Delaware, I'll put it that way. So this is a wrap for this video. I'm hype. I did this first episode of 302 Good Eats. I'm probably mixing the name up right now. For real. That's a wrap up for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Live life best as you can. Oh my gosh, go. And make sure you try some food out at 302 Food Plug. And peace out.
Yeah. Hey. Dotta. First off, life is hard, gotta wait, comes with some curveballs. Just hit past it to broke it in the foreign swerve off. Ain't been the same since my cuz got murked again. No, I ain't sorry, meant to.
Riding with us?
Nah. You
Never ride with us, bro.
Bro, every time I do, either the bike is down or not. I'll be out Saturday though.
Bike is good. Saturday I'm gonna go get my tune. So I'm gonna be out of state all day.
God damn. Will I be out tomorrow? I'll probably be out late tomorrow though.
Come on, man. Oh, you're lucky my phone acting up like
Yeah. Not hiding, bro. I'm always out, bro.
Bro, you hiding right now? You're not trying to ride with us.
Nah, I'm cooling.
Too cool for us. Like, I get it.
Nah, bro. What? Never. Never.
Nah, it's alright, bro. I get it.
Never, bro. I don't even think like that, bro. I'm just chilling, bro.
Yeah, you chilling. You too cool.
No, bro. Nah, bro. I got y'all.